Alright, so hi everybody, I'm Mama Jez, and I got my Mega Mom box from Influenster today, and I haven't even opened it yet. I'm super excited to get it, because I know it's packed with a lot of goodies. Alright, so first, we have Suave Kids Purely Fun 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It says it's hypoallergenic with a mild clean scent. That's awesome. I have a little boy, James, who is very sensitive. So I'm excited to try this out on him since it's hypoallergenic. See how it works. See, I just want to see how it smells. Oh, it smells really good. There's no parabens, no dyes, and no tears. Great. Okay. Oh, this is my little card explaining what all I got. Oh, this came at a perfect time because I just ran out of dish soap today. So this is Palmolive Fusion Clean with baking soda and lime. Ooh, that's probably going to smell really good. Just a minute. My daughter is... Oh, I'll smell it later. Okay. Then I got a little trial of Secret Outlast Extend Perfect because it's spring and I'm going to be working outside and I don't need to be stinky. We got a 3-pack of flossers from Plackers. These are for kids. It's got a fruit smoothie swirl on it. So these are awesome. Say hello, Zelda. You're supposed to be in bed. Okay.
Okay.
I got 2 Pilot pens. What color is that pen, Zelda?
Pink.
Very good. And what color is that pen?
Blue.
Very good. Very good. And look, these are for your teeth. I'll show you how to use them in a minute. Okay? Alright, so that just is explaining that. Palmolive. And then this, I got coconut milk infusion. It's an intense moisture mask. So I'm going to have to take some pictures with that. And a coupon for a free... Okay. A coupon for a free Daisy Squeeze sour cream full-size product. So that's awesome.
I'm in the video.
Yes, you are in the video. And look, it came with the card. Even though I don't always say it, I appreciate everything you do for me, so I'll write it. Thank you. Well, that's nice, VoxBox. I appreciate you too.
I was a happy.
Alright guys, I have my influencer link in referral link in the bottom comments. If you want to join, you can get awesome products like this to try out and review. Thank you guys, and thank you, Influencer.